Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 BMW X3 2-liter 20 DSE Auto xDrive, finished in blue with a luxurious beige leather interior. It features sharp signature headlights, a bold twin-kidney grille, and a clean bumper design that gives this X3 a confident road presence. At the side, it rides on 17-inch alloy wheels, with practical roof rails and crisp body lines that highlight its versatile, family-friendly profile. At the rear, the look remains elegant and functional, with wraparound taillights, rear parking sensors, and a powered tailgate for easy access. A practical and premium SUV that blends comfort, performance, and everyday usability in true BMW fashion. Powered by a 2-liter diesel engine and BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, this X3 offers smooth automatic performance, excellent road handling, and confident driving across seasons. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a well-crafted cabin with heated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and BMW's intuitive iDrive infotainment system. Features include Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and cruise control, ensuring both comfort and convenience on every journey. In the rear, there's ample passenger space, making it ideal for family outings or everyday use. In the boot, a spacious load area with a powered tailgate makes packing up effortless, whether it's for shopping, travel, or adventure. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration AJ15BOV to arrange a viewing or request a personalized video tour.